Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have two boxes that I wanted to unbox with you. I have two separate bags. Both of them were from Dillard's. I want to say I ordered these maybe a day apart, but they came on the same day. They came by FedEx, which irritated me a little bit because they were supposed to be delivered on Saturday. Today is really early Tuesday morning. They came on Monday. They said that it couldn't be delivered for security reasons, which is a bunch of junk. It didn't have to be signed or anything. I don't know what that was about. I think maybe the carrier just ran out of time. But anyhow, it did get here because I am going out of town today. And I bought this to go out of town with. And so I was irritated because I was thinking maybe I might miss it. But anyway, here it is. Oh, it's so cute. And it is going to be, I think it's going to be the right size. So I'm going to a concert. And you know, now you almost can't go to any kind of venue without using a clear bag. And so I picked this one. This was on clearance. It was the last one according to the website. Like I said, I got this from Dillard's, and it was a pretty decent price. I still think these clear bags are way overpriced, but this was $79. But we got the little eagle head there. It looked like we got a dust bag, but I can wear this with anything. See all these colors on here, and I'm just not thinking. I have shoes that would match this. I have some shoes that I know I want to wear, and so because I have some shoes that would really match this. But anyway, let's take a look at this. So it's not much to see. So there's no pockets or anything, but the crocheting is even on the inside. I didn't expect that. I thought it was just going to be on the outside, but it is. It's super cute. I didn't know what it was going to look like, if it was going to look all homey, and it looked bigger online. I needed it to be small like this, and so I'm happy with this. And it has that where you can either do it as a shoulder bag or you can do it as a crossbody. You know, you can pull it through. I am really happy about that. I think I saw this on other sites, but it was higher. So that is, like, I think Northern Rec has this too, but I want to say it's a good, like, $50 higher. I want to say it was like $130, and I got it for $79. But yeah, the only thing about Geiger, they don't give big enough not gift bag, whatever this is, dust bag. You got to, like, maneuver it in there. I don't like that. But I guess they don't have to give you a dust bag. But isn't this cute? Okay, so I was just going to show you guys what I meant about I got shoes that would go to these. Now, these were the shoes I had planned to wear because I'm going to wear a pair of jeans and a shirt that is this color. So I was going to wear this. And I probably will still wear this because I think that these are just so cute. But I was getting to look at this. I could wear these with it. Or these. Isn't that cute? And then I have some clogs that are this color. That just like this, but they're clogs. So I'm gonna have to decide. But wouldn't that be cute? But anyway, since I mentioned it, and they're close, those shoes were close by, thought I'd show you what I was talking about. All right, so that's the first box. So give me just a second. Okay, guys, so I am back. I went ahead and kind of opened this a little bit. I didn't, I just cut it open. Okay, so this one I'm really excited about, and I was going to be super bummed if this didn't come before I leave. Even though this, I really want to wear in the venue. This, I just really wanted this to come. Okay, so my Dillard's was sold out of this, but I was able to pick this up online. I agonized over this because, you know, it was a little pricey, and I have a crystal bag, but I really wanted this one. So anyway, I went ahead and picked it up, and here it is. And so let's take a look. She's gonna be so cute, guys. So I bought 2 pieces, and I am super excited. So this is the SLG to go with it. Well, I guess there's no leather in it, but let's take a look. That's it. Oh, she's so pretty. She's so pretty. So I just bought that other jean purse that looks like, it's smaller. It's the Waverly. I just bought that one with the vachetta going around it. And I think that this would be cute with that too. So, you got a little leather zipper pull. And I do like this style of wallet. I have a couple of these. Really nice. you can't put as much in as you think you can, because it'll get too fat and you won't be able to close it. But super, super cute. And I'm not worried about the rhinestones. I have a black one that has way more rhinestones on than this, and I wear that thing a lot, and I haven't had any problems with it. I also have the brown crystal one just like this, and again, hadn't had any problems. All right, but I've been wearing that black one out. Okay, so this is that one, y'all. It's so cute. I'm so excited to have this one. They didn't have one in store, so I had to order it. Oh my gosh. And so I didn't get to play with one. Oh my gosh, she's so cute. I saw like the big one. I think it's a 36. I think that one is probably too big. And I know that's strange coming from me, because I like a big bag. But sometimes the cuteness, I think, of a bag. Oops. Okay. The cuteness of a bag depends on the size. Like, I have a Kate Spade dumpling purse, and I think it's really cute in the small size. And I think it wouldn't be as cute in the larger size. Anyway, super, super cute. Y'all, I'm so glad. Of course, it is factory wrapped. Oh, I don't think people are sending theirs back yet. And we got the nice fabric one. Let's take all these out. And I think that this one holds its shape better. I know that a lot of people are into the slouchy right now. It's not really my thing. And so I think that is another reason to get the smaller one. So a lot of times the tabbies, they have like a zippered section. So this is a different design than I have had in the past. Like the tabbies that I have had, they have like a little front section and then like a zippered section. So this is really nice, and it is leather lined. So this is from the retail side. Maybe I haven't had a retail one. Maybe, well, tabbies aren't on the outlet side, right? Anyway, never mind all that. But super, super cute. All right, so let's take a look. So I think this color gold, brass, whatever, is like the retail side of things. I do, when they do have gold, I do usually like the brighter gold. Some people may think, but that's the cheaper looking one. I don't agree with that. I mean, I don't dislike this, but if you're going to do gold, I feel like, you know, make it dynamic. Why not? All right, so, y'all, she's so cute. I'm going to wear this today. I'm going to have, I mean, you could wear this with something dressy. It won't be anything dressy. It's going to be t-shirt and jeans. And now this is not what I'm going to wear to the concert, because you have to have something clear. So, but this is just what I'm going to wear today and tomorrow on my way home. And I'll probably continue wearing this week, because I think this would be big enough for me to be able to handle wearing it for a week. So we'll see. But wow, she's so pretty, y'all. She is way prettier than she looks online. She is just gorgeous. And I think the denim, this is kind of like soft denim, and but here it is reinforced and stuff. I think this will help give if I need a little more room. But oh, I can't wait. I'm going to enjoy wearing this. But that is what, oh, let's see. Let's look at the straps. So I will probably wear this shoulder, but let's see, I might do a crossbody, because I am planning on stopping. So the concert I'm going to is in Birmingham. I want to stop by Leeds. That's a Coach outlet up there, even though I have two nearby me. I always like to go to different ones. And crossbody would be really good with outlet shopping. So I'll probably start with this, the little shoulder, and then when I get to the outlet, switch to this. So, isn't that pretty? I just think this is so cute. You know, a lot of times, especially if you spend a significant amount of money, which is what this is for me. You know, of course, this isn't like a LV or anything, but for me, this is a significant amount of money. You know, when you get it, sometimes you have buyer's remorse. I have none of that. I'm very, very happy with this. Very, very happy. It's super cute. All right, so that is what I got. And, oh, right here in my face. And this is what I got, both from Dillard's. And they're both going on a trip with me today. So anyway, I thought that I would share that with you guys. And I would love to hear what you have to say about it. What you think. I'll talk to y'all later. Bye.